Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read sentences with CVC words and we will answer some questions. So, are you ready? Let us start. Have fun in learning. The frog hops over the rat. Okay, you read it. Very good. The frog hops over the rat. Where does the frog hop? Where does the frog hop? A over the cat, B over the rat, or C over the dog? Okay, very good. Over the rat. The cap is on the tree. The cap is on the tree. Where is the cap? Where is the cap? A on the tree, B on a log, or C under the tree? Okay, correct. On the tree. Nick sat on the mat. Nick sat on the mat. Where did Nick sit? Where did Nick sit? A on the lap, B on the lap, C on the mat. Okay, very good, on the mat. The milk is in the glass. The milk is in the glass. Where is the milk? A in the mug, B in the glass, C in the can. Very good, in the glass. Hannah is in the garden. Hannah is in the garden. Where is Hannah? Where is Hannah? A in the garden, B in the market, or C in the school? Yes, correct, in the garden. I will go to the market. I will go to the market. Where will I go? A to the clinic, B to the market, C to the school. Yes, very good, to the market. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? A on the mat, B on the bed, or C on the floor? Yes, correct, on the mat. The bird is in the nest. The bird is in the nest. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? A in the pan, B on the bed, or C in the nest? Very good, in the nest. Mark will go to the church. Mark will go to the church. Where will Mark go? Where will Mark go? A market, B church, C school. Yes, very good, church. The pen is in the bag. The pen is in the bag. Where is the pen? A in the bag, B in the mug, C on the paper. Okay, very good, in the bag. So I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please follow me also on my FB page, reading lesson, reading tutorial, reading worksheets, and reading materials. And please don't forget to subscribe and please click the notification bell so that you will get notified for my next video upload. So this is Teacher Eummie saying thank you and God bless.